Good morning, learners! Are you excited for today's lesson? Come and join me in an awesome adventure in music, arts, PE, and health. Dahil sa Mati 8, isipay siksik, katawan ay liliglig, kaya halina at matuto with Ma'am A.
PE 8, Quarter 3, Lesson 3, Chess, History, Nature, and Background, Equipment, and its Benefits. Our lesson objective: describe the history, nature, and background and its equipment. Recognize the benefits of playing chess to oneself and family. Find enjoyment and actively participate while listening to the discussion. Let's have our review of the previous topic. Direction. Write the total point value of the given letters below on the space provided before the number. Make use with the numbers 1 to 10. Do you know how to play chess? So, in this lesson, let's know more about the chess. Chess originated in India in the 7th century. It was known as Chaturanga, which means 4 divisions: the infantry, cavalry, elephantry, and chariotry. Chess was introduced to Persia from India and became a part of the princely or courtly education of Persian nobility. Chess is a skill and strategy game between two people, played using specially designed pieces on a square board, comprised of 64 alternating light and dark squares in 8 rows of 8 squares each. Players started calling Shah, Persian for king, when attacking the opponent's king. Shahmat, Persian for the king is helpless, means checkmate, when the king was attacked and could not escape from attack. Howard Stanton was an English chess master, generally regarded as the world's strongest player from 1843 to 1851, largely as a result of his 1843 victory over Pierre Charles Fournier de Saint-Amand. The modern design of chess pieces bears the name Stanton. Equipment in playing chess. First, we have the board. The chessboard consists of 64 squares with an alternating pattern of squares in 2 colors, the dark and the light. And the chess pieces, namely king, queen, bishop, knight, rook, and pawn, both in dark and light colors. The basic movements of each chess pieces. Equipment in chess. King is the main chess piece. He can move 1 square in any direction. The side whose king is captured first loses. The queen can move any number of squares diagonally, vertically, or horizontally. However, she cannot jump over any pieces. Bishop can move any number of squares diagonally. However, it cannot jump over any pieces. The knight can move from one corner to another in any 2 by 3 set of squares. That is why it moves in L shape. It is also the only piece that can move over another chess piece. The rook can move any number of squares horizontally or vertically but cannot jump over any pieces. The pawn can only move forward from its original starting position. It can move 2 spaces, but if it is not in its original position, it can only move 1 space. The pawn can only capture 1 square diagonally forward. Here are the benefits of playing chess. Chess is an indoor recreational activity which is now being introduced as a major part of secondary school level curriculum because of the benefits it gives to the students. Here are some of these benefits. Chess increases the mathematical and scientific skills of every student and enhances problem-solving skills. It develops a sense of confidence and self-worth. It improves communication skills or hard work and commitment. It gives lesson. It is a form of entertainment and relaxation. It is a form of mind exercise. Chess is a form of indoor and recreational activity that can strengthen family relationship. Chess pieces can represent family members and each member has a role to play. Activity time. Today's lesson code PEQ3L3 title Memory Check. Fill in the blanks to complete the given paragraph. You may choose your answer below on the given box. Write your answers in your notebook.
What an awesome adventure we had today. I hope you learned a lot. Remember that a sound mind is a sound body. See you again for the next adventure in music, art, PE,